This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3226 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Gable Decor, Arctic Maple Glaze Hardwood interior, Sleeps 5, stovetop burner, smoke detector, skylight, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, self-contained, LP detector, refrigerator, awning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3226 is built on a Ford F53 22,000 pounds chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.